Trap, what's poppin'? It's your man Big Cuda. It's been a long time, right? Enough of that, man. You're about to learn how to do 100 push-ups in 7 minutes. Yes, 100. This shit easy breezy. We've been doing it for years, and the technique is simple. Right here, I got my iPad. Every minute, we're gonna do 15 push-ups.
Yeah!
That's it. Every minute. On the last round, perfect 10. Let's get it, man. I know y'all like introductions on YouTube and shit, but up all that, man. This is an introduction. We starting. I've already stretched. I'm assuming that you've stretched. Please, you guys, the importance of stretching is very, very important. Open up your hips.
Yeah!
Rub your body. I do dry rubs. Tell your body how amazing it's doing, how good it feels. Tell your body thank you. You know, be conscious with your body. And I'm not just talking your physical body, I'm talking about your auric body as well. What? Auric body? What is bro? What is bro? Yeah, man. All right. We're about to start here in 3. I'll let y'all know every time we get to a minute. Go. $14, $15. You know, back in the day, when I was like 20, 23 maybe, yeah, I'm gonna say like 23, I learned how to do 100 push-ups. I learned how to do 100 push-ups in like 2 minutes, but my form was terrible. That shit don't matter. That shit really don't matter. Was it 2 or 3 minutes? Regardless, it didn't matter. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. We on the next 15. Let's get it. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. 20 seconds in, you got 30 seconds of rest. 35. Breathe. I'm not gonna talk too much during this video. Breath is important. Deep breaths. That's how you get there, you guys. Let's go, man. 10 seconds. It's just 15 push-ups. That's how you look at it. It's just 15. 3, 2, 1. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. How you feel? How you feel? 3 rounds in. I know I'm slim, but I get acclimated. I said I'm slim, but I get acclimated. For real. You got 20 seconds, breathe. Let's put this up on. 5, 4, 3, 2. 5. 10. 15. That's round 4. Give me some. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. It's alright to go slow. You control the pace. You can pump out some shorties, do some elongateds. We're gonna do some elongators this round. Switch it up. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 3. 8. 14. 15. Was that round 5? 2 more rounds. We got 1 more round of 15s and then 1 round of 10. 10 seconds to breathe. 3, 2, 5. 10. 12. Good shit. Good shit. You want to struggle with your push-ups, you know? We're not even 6 minutes in. You at 90 push-ups. Victory lap, let's get it. Pretty boy 10, how you wanna do it? How you want it? It's yours. I'm going wide. Wide extension. Yeah, with 30 seconds left. That's how you do it. 100 push-ups in 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Now you focus on breathing, breath work, your car. Something I wish I tapped into in high school or early years of life is conscious breath. I need to feel that shit in here. We'll do another video on that. You know, I used to post a series on here about quantum jumping. This was back when, 2021, 2022. Folks did not care nor know what it meant. But I posted a step-by-step how to quantum jump your life. I've always been into life cheat codes. Controlling your breath is one of the greatest life cheat codes. Better than 100 push-ups in 6 minutes. Anyways, I'm gonna add more value to this channel, show y'all about my life, because you know me, I miss to travel, I miss to make it happen. But when I say my life is a movie, regardless, in any place that I'm in Atlanta right now, been living in Atlanta for a little while, since I moved back from the Philippines. Yes, Yes. Anyways, thinking about going to Venezuela. Thinking about going to Medellin. I'm even thinking about going to Salvador. Thinking about Uganda as well. And I'll take y'all with me. But one thing about Soul Tribe is we have an inner standing before it's an outer standing. I can't just show y'all all the luxuries of how it looks like I get to where I'm going in life. I want to share with you all the ingredients. The ingredients start here, man. Take care of your body. Let's get it.
Push the goddamn button. Push the goddamn button. You heard what she said.